Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, greatly apologize. I'm kind of getting this vlog started a little bit late. We had some errands to run this morning, and then we got back and we wanted to work on the four-wheeler to find out if we can get things going. And here's the thing. Bottom line is I had to bring out the big, huge guns here to charge up the battery and get things ready to go. And it's not turning over very well. We think we might have burned up the starter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart and we're going to use parts from this one. And honestly, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cap from the new one, put it on the old starter, put it back together and see if we can get it up and running. Honestly, I think that our whole reason why this whole thing was like messing up when it would start is because of the ground wire, honestly. Because this thing is turning over every single time. Before, it would never do that. It is doing it now, but it's just, I think we burned something up in that motor. Hey, good job. Good job, Peg. Good job. So, we're going to swap that top off and put it on there, and let's see if we can get this thing running. I just replaced the top on it, the part that broke off, and Bobbie's installing that now. We're going to test it out. It just seems to spin a lot freer. And honestly, I'm not really sure exactly what burns up in these motors. I have the other one over there. I'll pull it apart. We'll take a look at it. But right now, I just want to get this little fella started up and running again. This is a bummer that we burned it up, but I think that is the case. We're going to find out here in just a moment. So I greatly apologize for starting the vlog a little bit late, but we kind of wanted to get a start on it and test things out. And honestly, we hooked everything up and it was still barely turning over. Acted like, honestly, Bobbie thought it was a starter. I thought it would be the battery. I really thought it'd be the battery. So we brought out of our big, huge 200 amp jump starter over there, and it still didn't matter. We made sure the battery was topped off. And keep in mind, it's a brand new battery. We also have a brand new solenoid as well. So, well, at this rate, the easiest way to find out is to swap that cover on the starter and then try it again. So we got it up and running, but the thing is it will not stay running without the choke fully pulled out. So we're going to take apart the carburetor. We're going to see if we can't do a little bit of cleaning up on that. But before I do that, let me show you what this is. The original problem that we had with the four-wheeler before we took the entire engine out, the whole 9 yards, right? So this is the original problem. You turn the key on, everything is set up and ready to go, and you go to press that start. You hear that clicking? So we replaced the solenoid thinking that was the problem, and then, well, we went to replace the starter and it broke off, and that's why we're here today. And obviously this is Bubba's Garage. We have no clue what it is that we're doing. You saw us just moments ago. We kind of used parts from a new starter and parts from an old starter, and we actually got it to start. But I think here in a moment I'm going to rip the back end part of the starter off and keep the center part, and yeah, we're gonna make a hodgepodge starter, and hopefully that problem will go away. But right now, I need to work on this carburetor, see if we can get all the gunk cleaned out. I'm gonna use some carburetor fluid. Yes, I got a margarita, and that's because this crap is driving me nuts. Honestly, guys, I'm ready for this project to be over with. But hey, if you want to buy me a beer or a margarita in this case, please definitely do so. But I'm gonna get started on this. That one doesn't look too bad. This one, on the other hand, is clogged. And let me show you what it did. So right here we have these two jets. Now, I don't know which is which, but this one goes here and this one goes here. And if you look, they're pretty gunked up, pretty bad. and I don't have anything that's going to clean this up really good. So I'm going to do my best to use carb cleaner and blow it out. Other than that, I'm not really sure. Hopefully we'll put this together and it will run much better. Right now, I'm going to do some more cleaning, but if you ever need clean yours, that's pretty much what you need to do. Yeah, kind of, sort of. All right, got the carburetor cleaned up. Now we're ready to start this thing, and honestly, the time is running out, so hopefully everything will start up fine. I'm gonna turn my key on. So everything's set. Wait, good, press start. So here's how we fix that problem right here in Bubba's Garage. You just gotta give it a little tug. I don't know why it does that thing. Crap! Should have pulled the choke. That's the only way it'll run.